Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Fanttik Slim V10 Mix cordless vacuum cleaner. So I like that we've got several different attachments that we can put on. We also have a storage bag, but around back, so this is the vacuum part, but around back it's actually a blower also. So we can put different blower attachments on. You are going to charge it with USB-C right here. It does come with the cable, but you do have to provide the charger. Now it's very simple to operate. You're going to simply turn it on, hold the button for just about 3 seconds. It turns on, press it again to go to high. We have a battery status indicator, and it also lets us know the position it's in, high or low. That's really good suction. Hold the button again and turn it off. Now when we're all done, you're simply going to open this. This is the safety lock. Press the button, everything's going to come out. Now to convert it to a blower, now once in a while you will have to take these filters off and clean them. They are reusable. I like that. I like that I can reuse these filters. I just got to make sure that they're clean and dry. But now when I want to convert it to a blower, I want to take this part off so I have increased airflow, because the airflow is going to come in here and go out here. Now let's put the blower attachment on. You want to make sure and put it on and turn it, or it could fly off. Press the button. Now I've got a really powerful blower. Press it again. If I need to inflate like an inflatable bed or something. Very nice. There's a big nozzle too for blowing. So I got a nice bag that I can store everything, even the blower in. Then when I want to convert it back to a vacuum, line up that dot with the unlock, rotate it to the lock. Make sure you lock that. So let's go see how well it's going to clean up this big mess. Ooh, that rotates. That's nice. Okay, so it's simple to operate. You're going to press the power button for about 3 seconds. Hold it. It starts off in low. Press it again. We're going to go to high. Very powerful. Okay, now I got the crevice tool on. We can get down in all those crevices. All right, turn it off. Now when I'm done, I simply just take this, press that button, and everything's going to come out. But I can also, let's convert it now to a blower. Let's put this blower nozzle on. Just rotate it, press the button. Same thing, it's on low. Let's go to high. Really powerful blower. So I really do love this Fanttik Slim V10 Mix. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.